What's going on, guys? My name's Brandon Haneline, your Jeep informant, and today we have a new recall on the 2018 Jeep Cherokee KL body with a 2.4 liter. Now, we don't know at the moment how many vehicles are actually involved, but what we do know is why the recall was issued. And what it's due to, it looks like a damaged fuel tube, which may result in a fuel leak and potentially a subsequent engine compartment fire. An engine compartment fire could result in a thermal or smoke inhalation, injuries to occupants and or bystanders. Now, I know that's not very comforting news, but if you take a look up here at the top, it says that VIN numbers that are involved are live and searchable. And what this means is that the website that I'm going to leave in the description area, okay, you click that link and then you type in your VIN number and it's going to let you know what recalls are available for that specific VIN number, present and past. Now, currently, as this video is being published, they do not have a remedy yet for this recall, but it does state here that the recall estimated launch is in the second quarter. Now, the end of the second quarter is still a month away, so hopefully we'll know more before then. So what to do if you have a 2018 Jeep Cherokee? Please go to the description area below this video, click the link, type in your VIN number, and it will let you know if you have this recall or not, okay? And if you do, if you feel like calling the recall hotline center, that's you can do that. I will leave that number also in the description area. Hopefully there's not very many vehicles involved with this. And guys, as soon as I see the recall letter, the main one that has more specific information on that, I will update this video with a new one and give you more detail. I'm just trying to be very informative and be upfront with you guys and let you know what's going on in the Jeep community. Well, that's it for today. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. Hopefully you're smarter now than you were when you started this video, and we'll see you next time.